ask, what do you use to search for information on the internet? What do you use to search for information on the internet? Yes, Mr. Colin?
A web browser.
A web browser? Yes.
Search engines.
Mr. Musemburi?
No, I wanted to say something.
Search engines?
I don't agree with Colin.
You don't agree with him? Can you have your reasons?
He's saying we use a web browser to search for information.
Right. Any responses to that? Yes, Ms. Payne.
We use catalogs.
I thought you were responding to Mr. Makete. I'm saying he's not agreeing with Mr. Colin that
We use browsers.
we use browsers.
We do use browsers to search for information.
I was thinking maybe the browser is software to display information from the internet. Maybe if you are saying you use add-ons, those browser add-ons to search for internet. For example, Firefox is a Google add-on, but we won't be using a browser, such as that. We'll be using a search engine.
All right, thank you. I think by the end of the lecture, you would have answered. So we use search engines. That's exactly the point where I'm driving to. My topic today is using free text or crawler-based search engines. Using free text or crawler-based search engines. The objective, my assumption that by the end of this lecture, probably I would have managed to make you understand how to effectively manipulate free text search engines. They are also known as crawler-based search engines in retrieving information on the internet. As you are aware that the internet it's a pool of resources. So for you to be able to retrieve what you want, you need these search engines to search for information. So definition there, a search engine is basically a program or a system that enables users to search for information on the internet. It's a program or a system that enables users to search for information. Maybe, if I may interject there, can I have examples of search engines that you are aware of? Yes,
Firefox.
Firefox. Yahoo. Alta Vista. Google. Ask me. Mama Jake and all. There are a list of search engines. There are so many, but they don't just come as they are grouped or they are clustered such that that's why we have free text search engines. Next week I'll take you through the directories and the meta search engines. Those are the major three categories of search engines that we have. So that's an example of a free text search engine, Google. I think you are all familiar with it, especially you Zimbabweans. I think there is the word that jumbo Googler in one. So the structure now, why they are different types of search engine is because of the way they are structured. So free text or crawler-based search engines, they are basically divided. They are divided into four parts. They are basically divided into four parts. There is the spider or the crawler, the index, the query manager, and the interface. Spider, the crawler, the index, the query manager, and the interface. The spider, it's basically a robot which that starts with a list of the websites or URLs and visits again the sites to gather information. It crawls the web to gather information. Then the index, the part, the second part, the crawled text or the crawled websites are listed on the search engine index. They are listed on the search engine index, and it also contains representations of various document representations of each and every website it has crawled. Then the query manager, this is your interface. This is where you enter your query. We'll go to the Google interface so that you can see what I'm saying. Then the interface, we are talking about when you are presented with the results. When you are presented with the results, that's the interface. So basically, in a diagrammatical form, I hope you are all seeing it. The representation of the structure of the crawler-based search engine, the structure of the crawler-based search engine. Any questions so far? So for me to be able to explain this diagram, I'll probably ask Mr. Mshwani to come and so that I will first highlight through the use of an example, then come back to this diagram. Let's say you are on the internet web page on Google search engine. This is the Google search engine. This is the interface part where you enter your search query. Here you enter your search query in this search box. You enter your search query in this search box. Now, because the way